I'm going to show you like a foundation tutorial right now because I do have like this acne. My face is always broken out, but I think pregnancy has made it worse. So let me just show you how I make my skin look really good. First, I use this e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Most of the time I don't think primers do much, but I do notice a difference with this e.l.f. one and even the e.l.f. Grip one. So I just put little dots all over my face, rub it all in. This e.l.f. primer and this one, they're both really good. This is the Power Grip and this is the Dew Primer. They make your face kind of sticky, and I think that's what helps my foundation stick to my face and be smooth rather than sticking to all the zits. Like, I don't know. It just works. And then I let the primer sit a little bit till my face is not feeling as wet. It's still sticky, but it's not like drenched. And this is my favorite foundation, the Sephora matte foundation, but this is discontinued, so I'm going to use one that you guys can actually go buy. This Wet n Wild, I have only tried the matte photo focus. It's really good. So you just open it, it has this little spatula. I'll just put this right on my face like this. This dries pretty fast. I bet the dewy one's good too. Oh my gosh, I got some on my hoodie. And then I like using a brush to blend it. I feel like it works much better than a beauty blender. I use the brush and then I go in with the beauty blender to kind of smooth it out. This is the IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. So I'll do half of my face on camera and then I'll do the other half off. It's all ready. I'll even do over these spots here. Like, look how good my skin, and I mean, I had zits there. Okay, let me do the rest of my face. Okay, now I take the beauty blender primarily for under my eyes, just so I'm not getting the brush in my eyeshadow and messing it all up, because the brush does leave a little bit of marks in certain places. So I just take this all over my face. Then I take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder and I just come and put this all over my face. The Milani Luminoso blush, because I think a good blush goes a long way for your face. So just put it on like the high parts of your cheeks on both sides. So here's my face with just the foundation, primer, powder, and blush. And then this is the final product I take other than my highlight, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. Just watch what this does to my skin. It makes your skin look so glowy. Like, it already adds a sheen. So let me show you with the highlighter and everything. Okay, so this is the finished look. I added some little eggs, some highlighter, and as you can see, skin looks pretty good. You can see a little bit of texture, but overall, I think this technique really works for me.